Most people searching for work-from-home jobs fall into the same trap. They chase random websites and end up with low-paying or fake offers. But here's the truth no one tells you. Real remote jobs still exist in 2026, but they require understanding where real demand is coming from. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is believing that all online jobs are easy or automated income. In this video you will learn the best work-from-home jobs in 2026 that actually pay, how they work, and which ones are worth your time based on skill level. Let's break it down in a simple way. First, customer support jobs. Many companies hire remote agents to handle chats, emails, and calls. These are stable jobs, and often pay hourly. A worker like Alex might answer customer questions for an online store from home, using a headset and computer. Now here's where it gets interesting. These jobs are not just about answering messages. They are structured roles with training, schedules, and performance targets. Second, freelance writing and content creation. Platforms like Upwork allow writers to get paid for blog posts, website content, and marketing material. A user like Jake might start with small articles and slowly build long-term clients. But here's the problem most beginners face. They think writing means instant high income. In reality, you need a portfolio and consistency before clients trust you. Third, data entry and AI training jobs. Companies need people to label data and help train AI systems. These tasks are simple, but require attention to detail and accuracy. Fourth, virtual assistant roles. This involves scheduling, email handling, research, and administrative work for businesses. A worker like John might manage a small business owner's daily tasks remotely. In a minute, here is the key insight most people miss. The best work-from-home jobs are not random gigs. They are structured roles tied to real business needs. Fifth, tutoring and online teaching. If you know a subject well, you can teach students online through platforms or independent clients. This is one of the most stable remote income options in 2026. Sixth, freelance design and editing. Skills like video editing, graphic design, and UI work are in high demand. These jobs often pay more as your skill level improves. Seventh, social media management. Businesses need people to manage posts, engagement, and content strategy across platforms. So what should you expect overall? Work-from-home jobs in 2026 are real, but they are not effortless. They require skills, communication, and consistency. There is no single magic job, only opportunities matched to your ability. To summarize, the best remote jobs include customer support, freelance work, virtual assistants, AI data tasks, tutoring, design, and social media roles. All of them pay, but all require effort and learning. If this helped you understand real remote work options, like the video, comment your skill level, and subscribe for more honest job breakdowns that help you build real online income in 2026.